life. Nowadays in a life, it's harder. Hey, so, things get sticky and hurt. Can't buy a pants and we can't buy a shirt. Man a search and can't get no work. What I'm gonna do, what am I to do? Things get hard.
What are you doing, man?
Enough time you see mama back as she hurt.
Well, right now, I just came in from New York with a big bad enforcer. Clean it up, we're gonna have a big cookout tomorrow. So I'm just prepping, you call it prepping so you don't run into any problem, you just turn it on and make sure everything is okay, prep it up so tomorrow, for the big day you don't have any surprises, we're dealing with electronics. So yeah, tomorrow's gonna be the big day, hopefully we're gonna be having DJ Unity inside the house. We have Medina coming straight out of New Jersey inside the house. We've got a lot of my friends and passing through, so it's gonna be a great little event tomorrow. Right at the front of the yard, you know what I mean? So, spinning some music later on, smoke a couple L's, drink a couple beers, but tomorrow is really the official thing, But you have to set up the big sound, Enforcer, the biggest sound in Philadelphia. Take only 5 minutes to set up, so right now we're just cleaning up and stuff like that.
Can't make them dry out, no get caught up. Some a watch people things are not free. Some of them sun them back, some go down funny.
And then have to make sure that everything is okay because tomorrow, Medina is going to be passing through and DJ is going to pass in through, and I'm telling you from now, if they try anything tomorrow on the dub session, everybody dead. Life. Nowadays in a life, it's harder. Yeah, mix that in, everybody there. Every.
Life. Nowadays in a life, it's harder. So, things get sticky and hurt. Can't buy a pants and we can't buy a shirt. Man a search and can't get no work. What I'm gonna do, what am I to do? Things get hard in a hurt. Enough time you see mama back as she hurt. Can't even find the offering for the church. What we gonna do? Life hard, we have to face it. And no few days, so down we see it.